Clearbrow, North Dallas, 1965 Oldsmobile Jett Star, full wrap, Xpel Ultimate Plus. Some fingerprints on it already. Jett Star 88, Delta 88 in the other Buick line. But let's take a walk around this thing. Simple to do. Flat panels, a lot of things need to be removed, but wrapping it in and doing what we do is not a problem. We've done a couple of these type of cars in the last month. I'll get them up. One was a 73 Challenger. The other one was a 71 Duster 340 wedge. So pretty cool car, all restored from the ground up. These cars are probably a couple $100,000 each. I mean, taken apart all the way down to the frame, and whatever they do, it's all brand new. This one's got air shocks, custom vet motor, but this particular car has a little sentimental value to this owner, and he just tuned up a couple things, but essentially back to the original look when he was a kid. So let's take a look at what we do here. Get all these edges all wrapped in, all these moldings, everything comes in nicely. You know, everything comes off. It takes some time, couple 3 weeks. The clarity is there in the Xpel film, the protection at 8 mil, and this car gets driven. That's why. If you're not driving a car like this, don't wrap it. Just leave it where it's at, safe in your collection. No reason to, but this one hits the road, so it's nice to have that protection on it. So, and all these edges there, everything goes in nicely. Very nice car, very quick car. But yeah, there it is. 65 Jett Star 88. So boy, we got some prints on. Everybody's got to touch it. Everybody's got to touch the car to feel it. So clearbrownorthdallas.com, 214-414-3809. Next car I'll go over will be that GT3 RS. They got a stealth conversion, beautiful car. This car only has like 1,000 miles on it for a 2019, but we'll get that. Thanks for watching our Oldsmobile Jett Star, and will be more to come. We're doing probably quite 10 cars a week, maybe. Most of them are all the modern things. We don't get as many historical vehicles like this. So when we get them, we take the time, get it done right, and go over everything with our clients to make sure it's what they want. So thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys following our channel. Like it if you like it, and comment. We'd like to hear what you got to say. clearbrownorthdallas.com. Have a great Memorial Day weekend 2024.